Here we will see date time format style in convert function. First is default with format month, date, years, hours, minutes, AM and PM. The default value for this is 0 or 100. For example, select convert varchar getDate 0 or select convert varchar getDate 100 will give the output month, date, year and hours, minutes with AM or PM. Next is month, date, years, hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds with AM or PM format. For this we will use values 9 or 109. For example, select convert varchar getDate 9 or select convert varchar getDate 109 will give the output month, date, year with hours, minutes, seconds, milliseconds and AM or PM. Next is European standard 24-hour clock. For this we will use value 13 or 113. For example, select convert varchar getDate 13 or select convert varchar getDate 113 will give the output date, month, year with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. Next is ODBC canonical 24-hour clock. For this we will use value 20 or 120. For example, select convert varchar getDate 20 or select convert varchar getDate 120 will give the output year, month, date with hours, minutes and seconds. And next is ODBC canonical 24 hours with milliseconds. For this we will use values 21 or 121. For example, select convert varchar getDate 21 or select convert varchar getDate 121 will give the output year, month, date with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. Next is ISO 8601 standard. For this we will use value 126. For example, select convert varchar getDate 126 will give the output year, month, date with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. Now we will execute these queries. First we will print default format. For this we will use value 0 or 100. So select convert varchar getDate with value 0 or with value 100. And when we execute, it will display the default format, that is month, date, year with hours, minutes and AM or PM. Now will display time with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. For this we will use value 9 and 109. And when we execute, it will display date with month, date, year with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds and with AM or PM. Then we will display time with European standard. For this we will use values 13 and 113. So it will display date, month, year with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. Then we will display ODBC canonical with hours, minutes and seconds. For this we will use value 20 or 120. And when we execute, it will display year, month, date with hours, minutes and seconds. And to display ODBC canonical format with millisecond, we will use 21 or 121. And when we execute, it will display year, month, date with hours, minutes, seconds and milliseconds. And then we will display ISO 8601 standard. For this we will use 126. And when we execute, it will display date time with ISO 8601 format.